Engineering solutions for a changing world starts here. At UOW Malaysia, every step of your journey is guided by expert lecturers and powered by real-world experience with leading engineering companies. Graduate with a globally recognized degree and industry-endorsed certifications, ready to join top companies and shape the future of industries worldwide.
Introducing PowerLift, our capstone innovation, a smart e-forklift with energy recovery system designed to automate material handling while reducing carbon emissions. Built in just under 2 months, this prototype represents our commitment to engineering solutions that are both innovative and environmentally responsible.
From research breakthroughs to national competitions, our students push boundaries and win. It's more than technological breakthroughs. Our students are shaping a better world with sustainable engineering solutions.
At UOW Malaysia, we uphold the same high standards as the best universities in the world. This means our students receive a globally relevant education that focuses on producing career-ready graduates to meet real-world needs, opening doors to a wide range of career opportunities, not just here in Malaysia, but across the globe.
During my internship in my engineering diploma, I made an observation on a real-world problem that inspired me to think differently. I integrated that knowledge into my final project, and what started as a classroom idea grew into something bigger. It won Gold and Overall Best Award in an international competition, proving how turning problems into solutions can lead to real innovation. From Glenmarie to Batu Kawan, UOW Malaysia offers a campus life that's connected, creative and filled with opportunities to collaborate. Our graduates form close collaboration with the engineering sector from the start. They're even starting tech companies while still finishing up their final year. At UOW Malaysia, we don't just build projects, we empower engineers to go from innovators to entrepreneurs. University of Wollongong, Malaysia is where it all comes together.